Okay, so today I'm gonna be solving this daily Leetcode problem, special array, and let me read it. I solved it on a contest, I guess, but let me resolve it again. So we need somehow to figure out if the array is special, and the number of queries is 10 to the power of 5, means like for every query I need to have like maximum log n lookup. Hmm. Interesting. So I have in mind this idea of I should somehow save this information in about parity for the pairs. Mm. So if there is at least one pair that's not special, then any interval that covers it will be not special. So what I think about is just going through the nums and figuring out like what are the non-special pairs that are adjacent. and if at least one query includes this okay, so I'll probably have the solution for entire. So my idea is right now to do what? My idea is to have this what to have okay, no, doesn't want to. Yeah, so my idea is to go through this array and one by one record the adjacent pairs, and then a prefix sum array record if I have a special or no. Let's say for the input array we have, for the example one array I have 3, 4, 1, 2, 6, and I'll do the following. I'll go check 3, 4, is it special? Yes. And then I go 4 to 1, is it special? Yes. Then I go for 1 to 2, is it special? Yes. And 2 to 6 is special? No. So I'll have this prefix sum as a number of special number of non-special pairs in let's say in interval that ends at 4 at kind of 0. So here is 0, 0 in the interval that ends at 1. Gonna be 0 again. Here gonna be the intervals that ends at 2, gonna be 0, and then an interval that ends at 6, it's gonna be so 3, 4, gonna be 1. And then for getting if there are like if this range 0, 4 special, I need to take the number of non-specials in the interval that ends at 6 and subtract number of specials in the interval that ends at what this kind of, and it's basically 0, so it's going to be 1, so it returns false. Charlie. So this is the idea. Yeah, this is the idea. So I'll start programming it. So I'll have this prefix sum in p, say p sum equal new int, and then let's say int n equals num.length, and then n, and then for int I equal 1, I less than n, I plus plus, and then I'll need to p sum I equals if I minus 1, okay, p sum I minus 1 plus nums if current I multiply divided by 2 plus nums I minus 1 divided by 2. If it's equals 1, then it means that 1 is they can be, yeah, if there is at least 1, or like there is exactly 1, if they're both if they're both not if they're both even, the sum gonna be 0. If the one of this is even one of the, it's odd, the sum gonna be 1. If they both are odd, the sum gonna be 2. So we both are, so here 1 and then 0. And then what I'm gonna do for int I equals, so result boolean res equals new boolean queries length, and then I'm gonna save I less than they gonna have this interim variable q here, I less than q, I plus plus, and then int queries queries q, and then I'll go psum so res I equals psum query and so like when it ends it's like z1 minus if query 0 that ends actually, yep, so query 0 psum query 0 greater than 0, and then so if it's equal 0, then there is no, so rest should be true, and then return rest. Queries I here. No. 2, 3. Let me check what we're gonna have for this. 2, 3. So false from 2 to 3. Let's output psum. Let's have 4 int I equals equal 0, I less than p sum length I plus plus, and then system out print p sum I plus this one, then system out print ln. Let's run this. Okay. So for three and for three. So it should be 0. For 3 should be 0. 3, 3, 1 should be 1. Okay, and 1, 6 should be like 0. So like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, what I expect. Instead I have this strange thing. Let's check it this way. Or this one 0. Or 0 and 1. Then this expression. Still, why is this so? P sum equal P sum previous nums I why P sum is this? So let me trace it. So I have this, something like that. Okay, not this, not quite, something like this. And I wanna check what's gonna be P sum in this case. So I start from 1, and so initially it's 0. Then I check previous one plus 0 plus nums. If nums divided by 2 mod gonna be 1 and nums gonna be 0, then 1. So I need to like do like this, 0 and 1. Okay. Okay. Let me remove this one. Okay, that's it. Yeah, I made this mistake. I had that in mind to flip it, but then I was in the implementation, then was coming up with that fancy formula. I can still have this fancy formula, let's say nums over 2 plus nums I minus 1 mod 2. And if that one is equal 1, then 0, otherwise 1. Like this. Yeah, I got carried away with this formula, checking if it's like correct one. And I forgot the I forgot that I should flip that. I even can do this overwriting the nums trick. What? Nums. Can I do that? No. No, I cannot do that trick with overwriting nums. Yeah, this one more or less final solution. Nope, not yet. I wonder what to have here. People do prefix. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Let me try it. If it's really faster, I don't understand why it might be faster. Code. Try to run this. Yeah, the same. Yeah. So that's it. Let me stop recording. A summary, I failed because like there was a minor mistake when I didn't figure out that I should flip the instead of like here what instead of here putting like one first, I should like instead of here putting one first, I should actually put a 0 first and then 1 second. So because of that fail, but that's it.